Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Indeed as an employer. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, if you are on your phone, you can launch the Indeed app. If you are on your computer, head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to the Indeed website. Once you're on its website, here you can see the sign in option. Click on it. Now, in order to log into Indeed as an employer, you need to first have created your employer account. So the sign in and creating your account is the same process. Here it provides different options to log in. You can select your Google account, you can continue with your Apple account or your email address. For now, select my Google account. Select your preferred one. Now you'll be prompted to choose the account type. It is asking if you are creating this account as a job seeker or as an employer. We're trying to log into Indeed as an employer, so select this employer option and click on save. And there you go, you are now successfully logged into your Indeed account as an employer. You can now post jobs and hire candidates from Indeed. It's a very simple and easy process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.